This deluxe is all cap. This shit is not real.
Traction control is now off. Matter of fact, hold on, I'm drawing. Let me go to track mode first. Traction control is now off. Let's get it. We got the speedometer hidden, so that way 12 ain't watching, man. You already know how I get. But before we go, y'all know we gotta show y'all a little walk around real quick. Hold on. Let me show y'all the walk around. That's the interior. We got the red guts. Shout out to the Eagles making it to the Super Bowl, man. We got the green headlights going on in a heartbeat mode. Wide body, red guts. Hold on, let me show y'all the booty though. Ew. Yes, we finally did get it washed, as y'all can see. Shit looking real nice. But like I said, man, we ain't gonna waste no time, y'all. We gonna hurry up and hit the road because it's getting dark, and y'all know how it is having 20% tint on your windshield at nighttime and recording. It looks crazy. Let me put my plate cover back up. We don't want to get in no chases today, but if we have to, we will. Oh, this ain't even a ski mask. Hold on, y'all. We will, you feel me? And we got the gloves in there too. Don't mind my car, it's looking a little messy. I just got off of work. Y'all know how I get. But let's hit the road. We got the traction control off. We're gonna drive for about 15 minutes. And let's get it, y'all. Stay tuned to the end of the video. Smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. And we're gonna try to turn y'all up. We got 100 miles. Let's see what we end up with by the time we get off. We are in track mode, by the way. Let's get it, y'all. Seatbelts on, safety first. We're gonna hide the speedometer for now. Like I said, it is really fed. I don't want cops watching my videos. So y'all just gonna have to watch the miles per gallon go down. But we are cutting up, and y'all gonna hear some loud downshifts. Oh my God. Y'all ain't see a POV in a minute, so we're gonna bring back one. Hopefully the traffic ain't too crazy. And by the way it's looking like it kind of is. We're gonna cut over to the left real quick. I know we're gonna try our best to get through all this, but I do have a $40,000 car and I don't want to crash it, so we're gonna try our best to get out of this jam. It's not looking too good. If I do, I will skip some parts where we getting out of the jam, but just stay tuned, y'all. We're not going nowhere yet. Damn, bro, this traffic bad. I shouldn't have hit the highway. Y'all, I should have did this a different day, y'all. And what did I get myself into? I ain't even peep all this traffic on the maps. As soon as there's a little breakage, y'all, we gonna be good. I kind of want to take the shoulder, but I have enough points on my license. Don't want no more. Still gonna make some noise for y'all. I do have my little head mount right here, but I notice every time I go to throw this on and use it, the camera is like this. This might be better, I'm not gonna lie. I might have to. I don't know. It's really like this. I don't know. It looks bad. Right now, it's not looking bad, though. But I'm not going to put it on. I'm going to just do this with one hand, y'all. Like I said, traction is off. Once again, track mode is on. We are rock and rolling. We got the stars in this thing. Yeah. I know. All right, we got to get around this bullshit. I'm about to be like squeeze bends in this motherfucker, bruh. If I didn't have a boat, I would have. This shit literally a boat, bro. If you know, you know. Like, I know how to cut up, but I can't cut up that good. Like, squeeze bends is crazy. He will white line his whole shit. I can't do that. I definitely cannot do that. For those watching this video too, this will be raw footage, so I'm not gonna edit or cut out anything. Just gonna upload this joint right to YouTube. And if you have any suggestions on the dash camera, let me know, because for some reason this one just is terrible. Like every time I take it off the charger that's plugged in, it turns off, and then it only holds a small card that literally records at all times, so it only lasts me like literally a day and a half to 2 days. So I have to buy a new SD card every 3 days, and nothing goes on, it just stays on. Like it'd be different if it only came on while I was driving, but it actually stays on at all times, which is a good thing. But when it has that small of an SD card, it just burns through all of them. So I stopped buying SD cards. So let me know if you got any suggestions on dash cams, because I need some good stuff. Damn, y'all hear it? Like, I know I ain't cutting up that crazy right now, but golly. Like, I was gonna go that way, but there's 2 cars right there blocking me in. I can't really do too much. I know where we can go though. We're gonna bust a left right here. Give me some time. Gonna keep left. Oh my God. By the way, I'm not sure if y'all been tuned in on Instagram, but I've been looking at vets, y'all. I'm not gonna lie, the C8s looking real good, but I feel like I gotta go Tandy Mobile color. I gotta go that gray. I gotta go with a Hellcat, y'all. I gotta go Tandy Mobile Hellcat. But the vets is really like catching my eye. If I got a vet, how would y'all feel? Would y'all be upset? Let me know, because that's the answer I need to know. Because I ain't getting a vet. The only reason why I'm thinking about not getting a vet is because, you know, my content. I need to do this for y'all. I started off with an RT. I got a Scat. Now I got to go up to a Cat. You feel me? So let me know what y'all think. If I got a vet, if I popped out with a Corvette, C8, 2020, would y'all bang with the content? Oh my goodness. What the? Yo, track mode off a perk. Yeah, would y'all mess with my content, y'all? Let me know. We got this car in front of us really messing us up, y'all. I'm trying to go crazy, and I can't. But y'all can hear it, though, so. Oh, my God. Thought that was a cop. Boy, I was about to take off on his head. Alright, now we got some space. Now we got some room. R.I.P. Mama, man. She in that graveyard over there. I'm gonna come see you soon. It is fed up here, I'm not gonna lie, but y'all know I don't care. I don't give a fuck. much more relieved after that, y'all. That seemed like a crazy ride, not gonna lie. We 10 minutes in, y'all. If y'all didn't smash that like button yet, smash that like button. Turn me up. We are pushing the Scat Pack to its limits on the highway. Going crazy. I apologize if y'all can't show the speedometer, or I apologize that I can't show the speedometer. Feel me? But it is a lot of Fed things going on nowadays. Feel me? You got cops watching videos, and I don't want to get caught up with all this car drama. Nowadays, they seem like they more worried about car shit than people killing and shooting out here. Look at him. He purposely waiting just so he could look at my car. Like, bro, go ahead, bro. Let me turn this way. I need to turn left. God. You know what, y'all? We gonna turn the speedometer on, man. I ain't gonna do that to y'all. Oh, whoa. Hopefully y'all didn't see that. That wasn't me, though. That was the last owner. He went top speed. Not me. My top speed only 100 miles per hour. We gonna put the speedometer on. Matter of fact, we gonna make it more interesting. Let's put it on KMH. So it seems like I'm going 20 times faster. Y'all know how that go. But yeah, we still in track mode. Smash the like button, comment, subscribe. Man, we ain't editing this video. This gonna be a raw clip. Raw clip. We gonna hit a U-turn right here. I would spin this motherfucker, but I don't know, man. Cops be out there, motherfucker. And the steering wheel mad tight. Yo. Woo. 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 392. 392. Oh, look, Charlie twin over there. V6, you ain't my twin. You just an affiliate. Say, nah, that was ass. My fault, y'all. That was ass. Yo, somebody beeping. What's that, a BRZ? Dog shit. Alright, y'all. I would do a pull. I know y'all want me to do a pull, but I have no grip on these tires. Like that ass. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Nah, I ain't gonna lie, this shit moved, dog. The Scat moved. Scat definitely moved. She get back. She get back. She get back. She get back. Yo, he just fell off his bike. We are in Mexico. For those who are wondering. We're in Mexico. Don't get it twisted. Let's make a left right here, y'all. Let's make another left. Oh snap, we got another tunnel. Sheesh. Sheesh. 392. Yo, this joint whining, bro. Shit whining, y'all. What's going on, bro? I got a cat already. Alright. By the way, so y'all know, just so y'all know, right? This is how you know I have a good eye, right? That Durango is an undercover cop. I have such great vision. Like, this is crazy. Watch it actually be an undercover cop. That's an undercover cop. Like, I promise y'all. I could tell by the... Bro, just watch. Y'all gonna see. Just watch and learn. Hopefully you can even see. But I'm gonna actually, like, look at the nigga. Or look at the car. And matter of fact, we need to do some more driving, bro. Fuck this shit. Fuck that cop. That's an undercover cop. 100%. We need to do some more driving, brother. Yo, Scat coming through. Watch out, yo. Oh my God, it just farted. It dead ass just farted. Oh, I hope I didn't fuck my lip up. That was bad. That was bad. I know y'all heard that. I know y'all heard that. I know y'all heard that. That's bad, bro. I'm trying to trade my car in. That is bad. Oh my God, we got another one. Yeah, y'all, I had to look at this. So I'm going to park all the way in the cut and look at this. Hopefully I ain't messing nothing up. I don't even know where I'm at right now, bro. Where am I even at, y'all? Damn. Yo, what the hell are they doing out there in the middle of the field? It's so much more darker than y'all see, man. I promise I can barely even see with this tank. This is crazy. We gonna pull in here though. Might get hit for trespassing, but who cares? Anyways, y'all. If y'all stayed this long into the video, man, smash the like button, comment, and subscribe. Give me the 50,000 subscribers. We gonna keep turning y'all up and go crazy for y'all. Actually, I don't even know this. It seemed a little fed. It seemed like I'm in a weird area right now. So we're gonna go more. We're gonna go to the left a little bit more. I don't like this area. It seemed, look, he just parked there. He just parked there. I don't like it. I don't like it. We just gonna come. Oh, speed bump. Oh. We just go down. We gonna go down here, y'all. I might get more footage of me driving too. I don't know, cause I do have to drive all the way home or to another area. So, but as of for now, let me park right here in the light. Turn my hazards on. Show y'all how she looking, man, after the drive. Give y'all a little update, man. Give y'all a little update. Hopefully my lip ain't busted up, bro. I didn't hit that damn divot so hard. Oh shit. Damn. She eating leaves and shit. Yeah, y'all, Green Goblin. Green Goblin. Wide body still looking good. Let me show y'all that ass though. Ew, ass looking good. Yeah, y'all, she back. She back. But if y'all enjoyed this video, man, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Once again, like I said, for the 18th time. Get this video to, let's say, 2,000 likes, if it can. Let's do 500 likes. I'm gonna do 500 likes, and I will make a part 2 to this, and I'll add some spinning to it. So if y'all want to see some burnt tires and some rubber and smoke and all that, then I got y'all with a part 2. But it's your boy lorShift, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next banger video.